guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you what all I bought from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, and I'm really excited for this video. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. This year's Pink sale had amazing deals on makeup and skincare. There were up to 40% off discounts on both makeup and skincare. Nykaa also had launched exclusive kits and combos of luxe brands such as Versace, Estee Lauder, Clinique and Smashbox. I personally did not purchase those kits or combos because I honestly didn't need them. So I just only purchased things that I really like or I really wanted to try. So this is all the stuff I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale this year, and there are two big boxes and one small box. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly show you what I got on the first box. So this is the makeup box. I bought really less makeup items because I really didn't need anything as such, but yeah, let's see what I got in this box. So this is what I have inside this small box. I'm quickly just gonna show the products, talk about them, talk about the offers that were on these products, and also swatch some of the products. So without any further ado, let's jump into this. So the first thing I have in here is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and this product was in my wish list for so long. I really wanted to give this mascara a try because I've been hearing a lot of good reviews about it, and a lot of my favorite beauty bloggers and influencers were actually promoting it during the sale. So I really thought of giving this mascara a try. I anyways wanted a break from the lash sensation by Maybelline and try something new. So I just went for the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and this was I think up to 20 to 30% off. I will link the price and the offer price on the screen so you can guys have an idea, because I honestly do not remember the offers right now. So I'm just gonna link it onto the screen so you can guys see. And this is how the mascara looks. I think that the packaging is really good, but they have a lot of unnecessary packaging. Like all this is just really unnecessary, and other than that the product seems good. So let me guys open this so I can show you how this looks. Okay, so the mascara is waterproof, and this is in the shade 204 Blackest Black, and yeah, so this is the packaging. Now talking about the product, this is how the product looks. The packaging is really good. I really like the packaging. It looks really sleek and pretty, and it is rose gold as well, which is really cute. So the outer packaging of the product is really great. Now let's see how the mascara looks from inside. So this is how the wand looks. It has a very thick wand, and the brush is also really spooky, which is something really good because it really will make your lashes look long and voluminous, which is something really great. I really like the wand of the mascara. It's really spooky, and the applicator is also quite thick, so it makes it easier to handle the mascara, which is great. So as for now, I think that the product is really good and amazing, but I'm yet to try how it works on my lashes. So I'll let you guys know how this works on my lashes. You can follow me on Instagram to stay updated on the same. Alright, so the next product I got is a pair of lashes, and these are the PAC 53 Tapered Lash. This is a lash style that I've been using since so long, and I use this on my clients as well, and I absolutely love PAC lashes. I basically only use PAC lashes because they are super affordable and have an amazing quality. So I will definitely guys recommend you to try PAC lashes if you're looking for a good affordable eyelash, because this is amazing. And PAC was at 10% off during the sale, so I really thought of getting my hands on them. So this lash style retails for $245, and it was at 10% off, and I bought it because I already own the same pair of lashes, but I've been using those lashes for more than 2 months right now, and I've kept them in a really great condition. But I thought of now disposing them off and getting a new pair of lashes. So yeah, I just grabbed them during the sale. So the next product is again from PAC, and this is the cream blusher from PAC. So I really wanted to get a good quality cream blush because I know that your regular powder brush really fades away really quickly, and I heard that cream blushes really work nicely, and they also stay longer than your powder blush. So I really wanted to get a nice quality peachy toned blush. So I saw the cream blush from PAC, and this is in the shade 05, and this is a peachy toned blush. I'm just gonna open up the packaging and show you the product from inside. The packaging of the product is also really good. I mean, I like the packaging of PAC products. They really have a great packaging, and this is how the blush looks like. And I absolutely love the packaging because it is a magnetic packaging. This is how the shade looks. This is the shade 05. I really wanted to get a peachy blush because I realized I had a lot of pink blushes and I really wanted to get a nice, corally peachy tone blush. So I decided to go for the shade 05, and it looks really good. And I'm just gonna swatch the product so you can guys see the texture of the blush. So it has more like a waxy texture. It is a creamy waxy texture, and this is how it looks. And I'm just gonna swatch it here. So this is how the blush looks, and it looks really pretty. The color is really good, and it also blends very easily. So it's not that the cream blush is actually very difficult to blend. It blends really nicely. I love the texture of the blush. It's really creamy and easily blendable. Moreover, this product has no smell. Literally, this product does not smell like anything, and that's something I really liked about this product, because there are people who do not like their blushes or overall products to smell like sweet and peachy smell. So there are a lot of people who do not like that, and I'm also a person who doesn't like their product smelling really strong. So that's really good because this particular product has no smell whatsoever, which is great. The texture is also really good, and this particular brush retails for $450, which I think is a little bit expensive because the quantity is not that much. But I'm gonna just try the product and see. For now, the product looks really great and nice. So I'm just gonna try the product and let you guys know more about it. And yeah, I got this again for 10% off during the sale because PAC was on 10% off during the sale. And yeah, I overall like the product a lot, and you guys are gonna see me using this product a lot from now onwards because I literally love the texture of the blush and it seems like a good durable blush. So I'm definitely gonna use this in my next tutorial and let you guys know more about it. So the next product I bought is again from PAC, and this is the product. These are the mini beauty blenders which are used to blend your concealer around your eyes, because the big beauty blenders you're not actually able to blend the concealer really nicely onto the eyes, and it's a little bit difficult. But using mini beauty blenders actually makes it quite easier to blend the concealer really nicely and precisely, which is something I really like. And I just bought these mini beauty blenders from PAC, and these retail for $285, and again they were at 10% off, which is really good. And these are in red color. You also get them in black if I'm not wrong, and yeah, I just liked the red color, so I bought them in red. And yeah, I'll be using them as well in my tutorials, so you'll be seeing me using them a lot as well. So yeah, now let's see what I have in the next box, which is quite a big box. So let us just see what we have inside. So this is what I have inside the second box, and these are 4 body washes from Bath and Body Works, and I was really excited to get them because I love Bath and Body Works. And Bath and Body Works India recently launched on Nykaa, and I was really excited, and there was an offer of buy 2 get 2 on Bath and Body Works during the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, so I couldn't resist myself from buying body washes from Bath and Body Works. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what all variants I got. So this is the first body wash I picked from Bath and Body Works, and I've heard a lot of good reviews about the Sweet Pea collection, and I just couldn't resist myself from getting my hands on it. So yeah, this is the packaging. The packaging is really luxurious and super cute. I cannot ask for anything else. The packaging is really good, and as you can see, the print and everything looks so chic and so beautiful. I love the packaging so much. The packaging is also really compact to use. You just have to click here, and this is how the body wash gets opened, and it really smells heavenly. I've heard that Bath and Body Works body washes are really long lasting and have a really nice fragrance. This variant has more like a fruity and berry like fragrance, which I really like, and I absolutely love it. So talking about the price, this particular body wash is priced at 1,195, which is almost 1,200, but I got like buy 2 get 2, so I basically got the product at flat 50% off, so it actually turned out to be for 600 rupees only, which is really good. So you should really try to buy Bath and Body Works products when they are at great discounts, such as buy one get one or buy two get two, which is basically 50% off. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got my hands on the Bath and Body Works shower gels, because I really was eyeing to buy them, and as soon as I saw this offer, I just grabbed them quickly and purchased. So I'm really happy. As you can see, this is the first variant. So this is the second variant that I picked, and this is the warm vanilla sugar. This is my favorite variant out of the 4 shower gels, and yeah, I bought all shower gels because you can actually mix and match and everything, but I bought shower gels because I use shower gels and I really like to use nice and fragrant shower gels. I don't really use body lotions or body creams. They're really not my thing, and during summers I anyways do not use any creams or something. So I really wanted to buy good shower gels, so that's why I got my hands on 4 different shower gels. This is my favorite variant out of the 4 shower gels, and I absolutely love the way it smells. And can you guys see the packaging? The packaging looks so luxurious and so pretty. It's really pretty. I love it. And yeah, it smells like sugar vanilla. It smells like very sweet. The smell is really sweet, so if you're a person that doesn't like sweet smells, then maybe this is not for you. But I personally like sweet smelling shower gels because I love it. I love also vanilla, so vanilla is my favorite fragrance.
I love vanilla cakes, I love vanilla perfume, I love vanilla shower gels.
Vanilla is everything. So yeah, talking about this variant, this again retails for 1195, which is again almost 1200, and I got it at 600. So basically all the 4 body washes retail for 1195, and I got them a flat 50% off, which is basically buy 2 get 2. And yeah, so it's really amazing. This one is my favorite out of the 4, and I love it. So this is the third variant I got, and this is the 1000 wishes variant, which looks really pretty. The packaging is really amazing and pretty, and this again retails for 1195, again 1200 almost, and I got it again for 600. And this is so beautiful, and this is again a shower gel, and it smells like, this has more like a fruity and berry like smell, which I really like. It's really pretty. I mean, if you gift this to your mothers or sisters or even girlfriends, I mean, they're gonna be on cloud 9 because the packaging is so pretty. I mean, it's super pretty. I love it. So yeah, it smells really nice, and the packaging is bomb.com, and everything is so perfect about this brand. So this is the last variant I got. This is the vanilla and patchouli variant, and I actually saw Malvika Sitlani recommending this variant, so I really wanted to try it out. And this is the comfort range, and it is infused with natural essential oils, and this is body wash and foam bath. So yeah, this is from the aromatherapy collection, which looks really good. This has slight different packaging, so this is what the packaging is all about. And this really smells like vanilla, and I think the flower itself, which is patchouli, and it has a really strong and sweet smell, which is again good. I like personally sweet smelling body washes, so yeah, it's super great. And yeah, I'm super happy to get my hands on these body washes. I'm super excited to try them, and I'll definitely let you guys know what I think about them. So yeah. Alright, so let's move to our last box, which is this one. So the first thing I have in this box is the Clean and Clear foaming face wash, and yeah, I bought 2 of them, and I've been using this face wash since I was, I think, 14 or 15, and I use this face wash during the shower because I really like the way it works on my skin, and it's quite mild as well, so I really like it. And yeah, I bought 2 of them because there was an offer on Clean and Clear, so these were at 10 or 20% off. And other than that, if you buy 2 Clean and Clear products, you get a Clean and Clear morning energy face wash free, and this is the 100 ml bottle, and this is the Aqua Splash face wash with cooling menthol, and this is oil free and it won't clog your pores, so it really looks interesting. I will definitely try it out. So yeah, this is all about the face washes. So the last thing I bought from Nykaa's Hot Pink sale is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is actually a stock up. The foundation was at 20% off if I'm not wrong, wrong, and I really thought of buying two of them so I have one stocked up, because I literally use this foundation every day and I know it's gonna get over really quick. So I just got two of them, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and this is the best foundation. This is the best drugstore foundation for oily skin, girls. I absolutely love this foundation. So this time I actually got the container packaging, because usually I get the tube one because it's easy to use, because earlier the Maybelline foundation didn't come with a pump, so it was really messy to use. But now they have improved their packaging, and now the foundation comes with a pump, which is really good, because earlier it was really difficult to use the foundation without a pump. So it's great that Maybelline has introduced the pump packaging for the container product, which is really great. And yeah, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this haul video, and yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Moreover, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Moreover, let me know in the comments down below if you also have purchased any of the products shown in this video. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.